What if I told you that these 5 critical tools could be the difference between your channel going viral or disappearing into oblivion? You've been tirelessly working to grow your channel, facing endless roadblocks and setbacks. Maybe you're striving to get monetized, only to hit constant obstacles. Or perhaps you've finally achieved monetization, but then your channel gets hit with violations, leaving all your hard work in ruins. Does this sound familiar? Don't worry, I have the solutions. I am holder of 3 successful channels, and in this video, I'll share the most essential tools you need. Watch until the end to fully understand each one. By the end, you'll be equipped to stand out in your niche, gain a loyal audience, and get 5x the traction on each video with minimal effort. Stay with me, because in this dynamic video, you'll discover the ultimate solutions to every obstacle you've faced in your YouTube journey. You won't want to miss a second. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button to get more unique content you'll love. Your support helps me keep creating. Subscribe to Dynamic Felix and leave your comments for next video topic. One of the biggest challenges creators face is missing out on subscribers and views because they aren't consistently uploading. Without regular uploads, it's tough to keep your audience engaged, and all your hard work can feel wasted. I know creating videos takes time. Researching, scripting, recording, and editing can be overwhelming. That's where tools like Notion and Trello come in handy. These platforms help you organize all your video content in one place, improving efficiency and streamlining your workflow. They save me so much time. You can create a content calendar with video titles, have dedicated pages for notes, research, scripts, and more. Notion is perfect for beginners, while Trello offers more advanced features if you need them. Look at channels like The Infographics Show and Make Money Matt. They keep their audiences engaged with consistent uploads. I also use the community tab on my other channels to update my viewers on upcoming videos. But all your videos will waste, and no one will watch if you are not improving quality of video, so it's mandatory to understand topic number 2. Quality over quantity is key, right? But as Felix mentioned, consistently uploading videos also engages viewers. So what's the balance? Imagine watching a video with poor audio or bad editing, you'd probably click away. That's why it's important to focus on quality first. Once you've nailed that, then work on quantity. This is the formula for a successful channel. High-quality content attracts more subscribers and builds a loyal audience who eagerly await your next upload. On the flip side, poor quality can drive away both new and existing subscribers. Don't worry, tools like Adobe Premiere Pro for advanced creators and CapCut for beginners can help you to create extraordinary quality videos. With CapCut, you can easily add effects, stunning subtitles, overlays, great transitions, and attractive sound effects. Adobe Premiere Pro offers even more advanced features to elevate your editing. Using these tools can bring 5x more traction on your videos. For voiceovers, AI tools like Murph AI or 11 Labs are fantastic. These tools have taken my videos to the next level in quality. Just look at channels like Film Riot and The Infographics Show. They use these tools and have millions of subscribers. You can too. My friend also used CapCut plus Murph AI for editing his videos, but his channel videos literally not getting enough views and CTR, because the secret of getting million views plus more CTR on your each video is mentioned in third topic step by step. Alright, let's kick things off with the basics. Think of your video's title and description as the cover of a book. If it's not captivating, people won't even give it a second glance. Imagine you're scrolling through YouTube and you see a title like, My Day. Boring, right? Now, what if you saw how I turned my boring day into an epic adventure? Which one are you clicking on? Exactly, the second one. But Felix, my channel isn't about adventures. I hear you. The point is, uniqueness is key to making your channel stand out in any niche. Speaking of which, how about a future video on how to make your videos unique? Let me know in the comments if that sounds interesting. Now, let's talk about a content creator's best friend for SEO, TubeBuddy and Vidic. These tools are game changers. They help you find the best keywords for your videos, see how competitive they are, and discover what people are actually searching for. With these insights, you can craft titles and descriptions that rank higher in search results, making your videos more discoverable. And here's a pro tip. Every successful creator, from Think Media to Make Money Matt, uses these tools to grow their channels. They get a 5x boost in visibility and ensure their videos reach more viewers. Trust me, these tools are all-rounders for your channel's success. But this video could go longer if I explain 4th and 5th tools, so I will make part 2 of this video. You won't want to miss it. So, if you're enjoying this content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the dynamic Felix community.